is hot. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This room is a mess, okay? Good thing you can only see so much because I'm struggling. And this heat is not a vibe. One of my air conditioners bit the dust. So, we won't be affording to replace that this year, no. Shout out to summer 2023. When hopefully we will be back in action with the cool air. So we are taking our next step in my lightening journey. I popped in Sally's yesterday. It's actually on my last vlog. You see me going in Sally's. I did like a life vlog. Okay, so I popped in Sally's. His throat is dry. I'm out of water as well. We're struggling over here. Get it together. I went straight for the Wella toner. I grabbed some Wella T18. And then I saw this. Okay, Punky Color Platinum Bleach Kit. I've heard of Punky Color. I don't think I've tried anything Punky Color before. Okay, so as you can see, she is like beyond platinum. She is like silver, white, icy. So I guess it caught my attention. And I decided that I would try this bleach kit. I know what you guys are thinking, my poor hair, but hold on one second. Check her out. I found this coconut oil deep conditioning mask. It doesn't say mask on it, it just says deep conditioner, but I'm gonna call it a mask. From Soapbox, I guess. I found this at Wegmans for $12.99. And I definitely wanted a hair treatment, like for sure. So I did use this one time so far. It did help, I believe. Like my hair did seem soft after. And this is what I'm using right now to kind of nourish my hair. It is, and I told the lady at Sally's that I got this. She was like, oh, that's more moisture. She was like, oh, that's more for moisturizing. You need a protein like bond builder or something. So as these Sally's ladies always do, she got me to pick up this Repair hair mask. Apparently has protein or something like that. So I did get suckered into buying this. Okay, so she told me to use this right after bleaching, so I'll be doing that like in the shower after I rinse my bleach. Okay, so I did get 2 of the Punky Color kits because I just couldn't trust that one would fully saturate my head. So I got 2 of them. It's like double the money, but I always end up doing that because I just want to be sure. And then I also got these pink gloves. So when I had the gloves on the counter, she was like, oh, good thing you grabbed those because the ones in the box are kind of flimsy. And in my head, I'm like, wait, it comes with gloves? Okay, I don't want these anymore, but I wasn't about to say that. So here's 2 things I didn't go in for that I got. And altogether, it was about $37. I honestly wanted to go in there and like grab some T18 and like spend like $10. But here we are. $37. So I am going to be doing that today. I feel like there was something else I was supposed to talk about. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Here's where my hair's at now. It's kind of like some spots are kind of golden, some spots are more platinum, and I'm ready to, we'll see where we end up. Fingers crossed this goes good. Eyes above the waves, when oceans ride me, so rest in your embrace, for I am yours, and you are mine. Alright guys, so here I am preparing to start the bleaching process. We have a toner, the bleach powder, a brush, and some toning. Oh wait, that was the developer. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay. This is me trying to figure out how I'm going to pour the bleach powder into the small opening of the developer. And I ended up just using this little rinsing cup that I use on my kids. I always mix my hair stuff in here and then wash it out after. But yeah, I already am started. I had to add a little developer because the consistency was just too hard to spread. It was like too thick or something. So yeah, I suck at sectioning. Seriously, yeah, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. Okay, so I'm just applying the product to the best of my abilities. Your girl was struggling. Use the brush here and there, helps with the roots. And then I think around this time is when I mix the second box. Alright guys, this was such a dry bleach. I can't even stress it enough. Like, first of all, 2 boxes and I don't even think I'm fully saturated. It's just like so dry. Like, it was not easy to distribute throughout my hair at all, especially being that I have thick hair. So I had to keep adding my own Wella developer like 2 or 3 different times to get it, to try and get the consistency easier to work with, because babe, no, I can't believe it. It also feels very hot right away. It's kind of giving me splat. Okay, so I'm probably not gonna leave this on more than 15 minutes, but I guess we'll see like the dry styled results in the morning, and I am gonna do my protein treatment or whatever, so you will see me do that. But so far I'm not really a big fan of this kit. Guys, my head is burning like 10 minutes later, not even, so we're rinsing. Alright guys, the hair feels very stiff right now, but we can't forget about the conditioning toner. It does recommend to put it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I am going to apply it and then step out. Okay, it looks like purple jelly. Hopefully this helps the texture of my hair, because right now it's giving hay. Hopefully this could be the one positive thing about this kit. As I literally left this on for like over 45 minutes because I just thought that it wouldn't hurt. Hey, quick question guys. Why is my hair more yellow now than before? Oh no, sis, make it make sense. So guys, this is where I took it upon myself to use my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. I moistened my hair, dampened my hair, and then I applied the shampoo all over my head the best that I could. This is a very rich purple. I just pretty much was desperate to tone. I didn't like the yellowness. So you've seen how it looked, and then this is the toning. I left it for 1 hour. Guys, this is going to be my final review on the Punky Colors bleach kit, and I could not do this one without a glass of wine. So I had high hopes for this bleach kit. However, using the kit was not really a good time for me. It wasn't easy. It wasn't effortless. So I'm going to show you guys my hair right now. I don't hate it and I am okay with this, but I give a lot of credit to the Shimmer Lights shampoo, because you guys seen my hair the next day or whatever after Punky Colors, and it was giving yellow. It was giving lemon. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, the application process was hard because the mixture was just very dry and I had to keep adding my own developer. At first, I thought it was my fault because I spilled a tiny bit of the kit developer, but then when I opened the second box as well and I didn't spill any developer, I still struggled to distribute the product throughout my hair. Yeah, it was not saturating my full head completely, and I felt like it made my hair more yellow than it was even before. Even the toner gel, the toning thing that came with it, I don't feel like did much. It was really when I threw on that shimmer lights for an hour that I started to be like, okay. I would give it like 2 stars out of 5. I wouldn't choose this kit again because I know there's better out there. That's about it for the Punky Colors Bleach kit, guys. Have you guys used it and what did you think? Also, let me know if you enjoyed the video and if you like how my hair looks now. Okay, this little eyeliner heart is a vibe. So yeah, I think my next step for as far as hair videos on this channel will be like colors. I have so many like partially used semi-permanent colors up in my medicine cabinet, everything from Lime Crime to Brad Mondo. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe so that you can see all the train wrecks to come because they're coming, baby. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.